In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pivot data in the data source using Tableau. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to manipulate and analyze their data efficiently. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can quickly pivot your data using this powerful tool. First things first, you'll want to launch the Tableau app. Make sure you have it installed on your device. If you haven't opened it before, it's really straightforward and intuitive. Once you're in the app, you'll be greeted by the home page. From here, look for the option that says Text File. This is where we'll start our data journey. Click on it and you'll be prompted to select a CSV file from your device. Navigate to where your file is saved, select it, and upload it into Tableau. Once your file is safely uploaded, the next step involves heading over to your data source sheet within Tableau. This is where we'll perform the magic of pivoting. Take a good look at the columns you have and decide which ones you want to pivot. It's crucial to choose the correct columns as this can drastically affect your data visualization. With your decision made, move to the drop-down option of the last column you wish to pivot. This drop-down menu holds the key to pivoting your data. Click on it and select the pivot option that appears. This action will immediately transform your data, merging the selected columns into a single pivot field. After pivoting, you might want to personalize your data further by renaming the pivoted columns. You can easily do this by clicking the drop-down again and selecting the rename option. This helps in keeping your data organized and makes it easier to understand at a glance. Once you've set up your pivoted data, open the data source on the sheet again. To build an insightful visualization, start by dragging a field, like Sport, onto the rows shelf. This will provide a row-based view of your data. Next, take the skill category field and drag it onto the column shelf. This sets up your data structure, allowing each column to represent a different skill category. Now, it's time to bring your data to life by dragging values onto the label section under marks. This will display the actual data values, making your chart both informative and visually appealing. Finally, for a bit of data reorganization, drag the skill category from the column shelf to the rows shelf. This adjustment might give you a new perspective on your data, helping to highlight patterns or insights that might not have been evident before. And there you have it. You've successfully pivoted your data source and set it up for analysis in Tableau. With practice, these steps will become second nature, and you'll be able to pivot and analyze your data with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.